Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at division in other bases. We have looked at how to convert from base 10 to other bases to base 10, how to convert between bases other than base 10, how to convert, then we've also looked at addition and subtraction of number bases. We also looked at multiplication. Here we have division in other bases other than base 10. So we have these examples to follow. So divide this by this. Now, there are two ways of doing this. It's either you convert this to base 10, this to base 10, divide the answers, then convert it back to base 2. Or you divide it straight. Either of the two methods will perfectly work. So let's look at the first one. Let's divide it straight. We are going to make use of the long division method. And under the long division method, we have what we call solution. So we have what we call divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So we're going to follow this from a DMSB. We're going to divide. After division, we multiply. After multiplication, we subtract. After subtraction, then we bring down. We bring down the next one, then we go back to it. So that's how the process will be going. These are the first ones: first, second, third, and fourth. So if you are the type that is struggling with long division method, so this is your opportunity for you to learn it again. Right? So we have this. We're going to put this here. Right? So we're going to have 1 1 1 0, then we have 1 0 1. So if you look at what we have here, what the denominator here, so divides, right? So you see that we are using this to divide this. There are 3 digits. So what you are going to do is that you look at the first 3 digits. So the first 3 digits we have there is more than this. Good. So which means 101 can go in this one, and that is of 1. So we have divided this one by this, and that's the first stage, right? And this also 1. Then multiply. Multiply means that we're going to multiply the answer here by this and write it under it. So that is 1 times 101 gives us 101. So we have done multiplication. So the next is to what? Subtract. We subtract this from this. How you do? We subtract this from this. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 1. How you make that 0 rather? Sorry for that. 0. Am I making any sense? 0. So in that case, we have subtracted this one. So this is, we are done with the third step. So the fourth step is what? You bring down. You bring down the next. Before we consider the first 3 digits here. So we are going to bring this one down, which is 1. So you can see that this 0 is useless here. Let me remove it. Right? So this will then give us 101 and 101. That is what? 1. So 1 times 101 is 10. I'm not using 11 to multiply everything. I'm using this one. This one here. The last answer to multiply 101, and we have 101. So that is the second stage. Then subtract is the next one. This is 0 0 0. Right? So the next one is of bring down. We still have one more digit left. Don't ignore it. Don't say because it's 0 you ignore it. No. You have to bring it down. That is 0. So we go back to the next stage. So because we still have, for us to have brought down this, it means that we are still going to divide. So 101 in 0 is what? 0. 0 times 101 is what? 0 0 0 0. And when you subtract, you have 0. There is nothing to bring down again. So we have subtracted, nothing to bring down. That is the end. So which means our answer, which is 1 1 1 1 0 base 2 divided by 101 equals to what? 110 base what? Base 2. So that is the first method. So the second method is that we're going to convert each of the number to base 10 and divide the answer. So let's have it. We have method 2. We now pick the one that we prefer. So 1 1110. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we 1 times 2 raised power 4 plus 1 times 2 raised power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised power 1. So 0, we are not making use of the 0, is useless there. So 1 times 2 raised power 4 is 16, that is 1 times 16. Plus 1 times 2 raised power 8, 2 raised power 3 is 8. Plus 1 times 2 raised power 2 is 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised power 1 is 2. So this will be 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. This is 20, that is 30. So that is 30 base 10. So we now convert this to base 2. So 30 to base 2 now. I hope I'm making sense. No, sorry. It remains the second part, which is 101. So 101 to base 10. 0, 1, 2. So this will be 1 times 2 raised power 2 plus 0. We don't need the 0 again. So that is plus 1 times 2 raised power 1, 0. I've explained this previously. So 1 times 4 plus 1 times 1. Any 2 raised power 0 is 1. So that means we have 4 plus 1, and that gives us 5. Exactly. So the next stage, we have converted both numbers to base 10. So this one gives us 30 divided by this one that gives us 5. And that gives you 6. So it is this 6 that we're going to convert to base 2. So we have 2 here, 6. We want to convert this remainder. 2 here, 3 remainder 0. 2 here, 1 remainder 1. 2 here, 0 remainder 1. And we have 1, 1, 0. Is it the same thing what we have there? You can see the answer. They are the same. So you are going to decide which methods to use when you are writing your exam. I mean, I'll explain everything in detail. So let's look at the second example that we have here. So I will only use one method to solve this one. I'll use the second method to solve it. So you try the first method on your own and see whether you're going to get the same answer or not. So if you have problem with that, let me know. So for number 2, so we have 343 base 5 divided by 24 base 5. So I'll convert the 0, 1, 2. So this will give me 3 times 5 raised power 2 plus 4 times 5 raised power 1 plus 3 times 5 raised power 0. So this will give us 3 times 25 plus 4 times 5 plus 3 times 1. So 3 times 25 is 75 plus 20 plus 3. So this is going to give us 95. That is 98 base 10. So pick the second one, which is 24. I hope I'm not too fast. Please, you can slow down. 0, 1. That is 2 times 5 raised by 1 plus 4 times 5 raised by 0. So this is 2 times 5 plus 4 times 1. So this gives 10 plus 4. And that is what? 14. So we have 98. So that means 14 base 10. Right. So we're not going to, that will be 98 divided by 14. What do we have? 98 divided by 14, and that gives us 7. Right. So it is this 7 that we're going to convert to base what? 5. So that means convert 7 to base 5. So that is going to have 7. We have 5 here, have a remainder here. So 5 here, 1 remainder 2. 5 here, 0 remainder 1. So that means our answer will then be equal to what? 12 base what? 5. How this is very clear. So this is where we're going to stop in this video. If you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to give us a very big thumb up and then share our video with your loved ones. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you put on your notification bell. So anytime I release video like this, you'll be able to be the first to have access to it and benefit from it. So this is where we're going to stop here. So thank you for your time. So bye for now.